working. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Cause and all I love them all for me a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it.
Hello you guys, so today I'm doing for the first time a voiceover, and as you can see, the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning is fix my bed, especially because I'm recording, of course, but also it's a thing growing up. The first thing I had to do was fix my bed, so I'm putting my day covers on, and yeah, putting my teddy bears on top. I'm going to turn around and open the window, and as you can see, I have something in the window, which is my incense and all that. I'm about to come over and light one up. You see me here doing my little dance. Feel special. I'm going to the bathroom and wash my face as the next step. I'm using my favorite foam for my face, 3-4 pumps. It smells like honey. You can get it at the DM in Germany for €1.92. I really like this one. It leaves my face really smooth afterwards. So I'm also taking my little scrub pad, however, and like try to clean my face and also stimulate the blood flow. You see me doing it all over my lips and everywhere, trying to get in all corners. Then wash off my face with cold water. Cold water is always good, especially if you're in your 30s like I am, for the skin to stay smooth. Then I tap my face dry, and of course I'm going over to brush my teeth. I'm using an electric toothbrush. I'm working at the dentist, so I'm having a lot of samples for yeah, as you can see, toothpaste samples. I use this time the Almex one is one of my favorites because I have really sensitive teeth when I drink hot or cold. So when I use this Almex one, it protects kind of my teeth, but you do have to use it daily and for it to be able to work for you. As you see me, I am not putting my toothbrush straight, but I have it tilted a little bit, so all the plaque and everything that's on my teeth can just come out instead of pushing it up and back in my gums. I just have it tilted so it can just go ahead and like be removed. I'm trying to reach all the areas in the back of my teeth because I also have my wisdom teeth still. Right here, I'm like changed the tilt because I realized I was holding it wrong. Yeah, so just let the electric toothbrush do its thing. Yeah, I have to go over the sink because the foam got a little bit too much in my mouth. As you can see me, I try to hold it right there. Yeah, it's gonna be like 2 minutes me brushing my teeth, but I have it in fast forward so you guys won't be bored just seeing my hair. So in the end of every time I'm brushing my teeth, I'm turning off the electric toothbrush and I'm trying to like brush it a little bit on top of it and wash off the foam that is inside my mouth. So I'm looking at my teeth. Yep, they sparkly. Do my little dance. Okay. Alright, you cute. Yeah, here we go. So I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm putting my favorite moisturizer. I got it in a local grocery store. It also sells lotions and stuff like that. It was not very expensive. I think it was about €1.99. It's a day moisturizer. And then right after that, I am using my Essence Glow Primer and the Primer for Redness, which I like to use on top of my moisturizer to control my redness and also bring a little glow on my face before putting any makeup. Now with my roller, I'm going ahead and stimulate my face and the blood flow as well. As you see it, I am taking it from the inside of my face towards the outer side, and with a smaller part, I'm doing underneath the eyes and on my lips. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my weight loss update. So here we go. You know, I am a bigger size female, and on February I started a diet which is called interval fasting, which I am well, this interval fasting is in German, intermittent fasting is in English, I'm sorry. So in this diet, I want to like explain how this worked for me and how I like it so far, and if I made any progression and all that. Just watch the following video. So, as you know, I'm a bigger size female, and you reach a point in your life where you want to change something, and for me was I wanted to change my weight. Now, I don't want to be skinny or fit, I just want to be like fit in meaning muscular. I just want to be like, you know, still a big size female, but just on the smaller side. So I tried like a couple of diets and they really did not work out for me. Like I will maybe lose like a couple grams and then I would just go back to my regular weight. So I heard about this intermittent fasting or interval fasting, which you eat for like certain hours and you don't eat for another certain hours. So my first, like when I first started, I was doing the 14 to 10. That means I was eating for 10 hours and I would not eat for 14. So in this diet, you can switch it up, like if you want it, if you are an evening eater or a morning eater. Me, because I work or I've been doing this classes or whatever, I was waking up really early in the morning, so I would like eat in the morning first thing, you know, and for 10 hours, like I will wake up at 7 and I will eat until 5 p.m. But of course not the entire time, right? You still have to proportion your you still have to portion your food and like eat your 3 meals and your 2 snacks. So yeah, so I will eat 7 to 17, like 7 to 5 p.m. But I didn't see any progress, I will not lie. So I joined a couple of pages to see what I'm doing wrong, because I was like, I'm doing this right now and I'm not eating for 14 hours, but I still don't lose any weight. So I joined the pages and realized that you also have to calculate your calorie deficit, which means you can take only so much calories in one day, per se 2,000 calories, and you have to eat 80% of it, which means like for me, I have to eat per day 2,000 calories, but I'm only eating 1,600. So this is my calorie deficit, so this helps me lose my weight, my excess weight. And also, of course, if you do any gymnastics, any workout or anything like that, it speeds up the process for you. So I started with the 14 and 10, and I also started the detox and cleanse smoothies. I was like doing a 12, I think it's 12 day, so in order for me to be able to count my calories, I downloaded an app on my phone, which is my Fitness Pal, where you can always write down what you're eating. So it tells you right here how many calories you can eat a day, how many you ate, how much you exercise, which means how much you walked, and then it tells you the total. So if when I go to eat in a little bit, I will write it down and then it will tell me. So I usually stop around 1,600. This is where I stop. And if I see that I walked and my phone counted it already, I would try to like not take out the exercise, just look here at the food, so I know that I actually ate so many calories. And it also gives you sometimes recipes and everything. So you can see right here, you have the water, how much water you're drinking, the food, the exercise, the status. But I also discovered a really cool app. It's called Simple. It's this one right here. It's also 0, but simple, I found it better. If you go on it, it's like the same. It tracks with you how many hours you have fasted, and if you are right now on your eating time, and it tells you how many hours until your next fasting. And right here, you can add whenever you fast, whenever you eat, whenever you drink. You can write everything down so you can monitor it better. Because I discovered for myself that I monitor better when I write it down and I can see it, I can visualize it. So I can also like keep up with it, and I look at my personal goals and be like, oh my god, I did so and so many hours that day, and I'm like proud of myself, obviously. I also was doing the 12-day smoothie slim detox. I was also doing the 12-day smoothie detox, where you like drink for 12 days smoothies 3 times a day. But I changed it up a little bit. So this is an ebook actually, but you can also get it as a regular book, where it comes with, like, it comes in several languages, and it also tells you what, like, it gives you a list of groceries. It explains to you how it will work, how you're supposed to eat it, and how many grams you're supposed to eat it, what snacks you can eat in between. Like, you know, it has like a whole list. Like, it also tells you how to wake up, when you wake up, what to drink, how to drink your smoothies. It's like really detailed ebook about this 12-day detox smoothies. So what I did is I went ahead and took the smoothie and like just did it in the morning. So in the morning, my friend Rafaela, she introduced me to some pills, those Garcinia Gambogia pills from Amazon, which I also took in the morning and in the afternoon. And I will do in the morning, right after my, like 30 minutes after my pill, I will do a smoothie, which is like every day gives you like a different smoothie. So it gives you the proportion, like it's proportions for like 3 smoothies. So I would just like take everything that's in there and like, what was that? And do it divided by 3, and just like use the 1/3 of it, just so I have like my daily morning smoothie. So, and then in between the smoothie and the lunch, I will eat some snacks, like as meaning some carrots, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and then in the afternoon I will eat my my lunch, of course. Then again some snacks, healthy snacks, and then in the evening like my last meal, which was like something warm as well. But I noticed that I did not lose my weight as quick as I wanted, like, which means it's nothing quick about losing weight, because if you want to do it like the correct way, then you have to do it slowly. But I wanted to speed it up a little bit, because it was not only like 100 grams that I will lose. And so I did it like I started doing the 16 to 5, no, hold on. So I started like doing the 16 to 8, which I don't eat for 16 hours and I eat for 8 hours. And honestly, like, I basically eat only 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Basically, I eat like 7 hours, and I'm not eating for like 17. But yeah. So I started doing this 16 to 8, and I have to admit that I've lost from February till now like about 7 kilograms, which is, I would say, about like 20 pounds or maybe less. But yeah. So I also did this like I downloaded a meal, like it gives you meals, like what to cook every day, and it tells you how much to eat during the day as well. Like how many grams should be your meals. I am looking it up right now for you guys. Yeah. So I was like on this page where it would tell me how many grams I will eat. Like for instance, in the lunchtime, I will eat 350 grams of whatever I'm making. In the morning, like my snack's supposed to be 100 grams of whatever I'm making, and in the morning I will eat about 200, I think 250 grams. So 250 in the morning, 100 grams for my snacks, and 350 grams for my lunch. And I started with well, a really high weight for me, and then I made a pause, and then I started again last week, and I'm already like 3 kilograms down by doing this. So like I said, I'm taking this pills in the morning, and then like before my last meal, which is the lunchtime, and I'm doing this intermittent fasting because I have like a lot of people asking me how is it going, because I started posting it on my Instagram story, but I stopped it because I did not have the time to update it anymore. So a lot of people was like, how did it go? Did it work out for you? Are you still losing weight? Are you still on it? So of course I'm still trying to like go to walk or work out, because I mean right now you cannot do either of that because everything is closed, but you can still go outside and do it and exercise. So I'm like still trying to go outside for walks and everything, but I worked so many hours, and I do not like have the time or have the nerve afterwards to go for a walk, and which I do not recommend. I recommend for you guys to go and work out if you want to do this, but I am so excited and so satisfied about this method, especially because when I did my break, like I had my break about like a month now, because I had like to figure out how I'm gonna be doing this, because my times changed and everything. I did not regain the weight. I mean, of course I try to maintain the philosophy of like not eating after a certain time, like I would not eat after like 6 or 7 p.m. But and also like try to like not overeat. So I maintained the weight that I lost first, and now I am I started again. I started losing right away again, and yeah, I will give you another update when I lose another 5 kilograms. I will update it again if you guys like. I will put in the description box the detox, the smoothie detox link. It's about $10, €10, $10, something like that. And I will also put the peel link on the subscription box. Yeah. So make sure you follow my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and also maybe give me a comment. So thank you very much for watching me, and I wish you a good day, and see you later.